The Mini PC Stick N4000 Windows, powered by an Intel Celeron N4000 processor, offers a robust performance suitable for both business and travel needs. With its pre-installed Windows 11 Pro and support for various operating systems like Linux and Ubuntu, this device provides versatility for different user preferences. This compact computer stick is equipped with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for files. The inclusion of multiple ports, including 3 USB 3.0 ports and a Gigabit Ethernet port, enhances connectivity and usability. Its ability to support 4K ultra-high-definition display via HDMI, along with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, provides an exceptional multimedia experience. Measuring just 5.5 by 1.9 by 0.78 inches, this pocket-sized powerhouse is perfect for transforming any monitor into a full-fledged computer.